Hi to everyone. I am Dr.S.P.Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce with CA at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about the subject name is problem solving using C programming. So today we are see about history of C programming, importance of C and basic structure of C programming. So first history, C is a general purpose programming language. It's created by the Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1970s, and it remains very widely used in the influential. By design, C's features cleanly reflect the capabilities of targeted CPUs, and it was very popular language despite being very old. The main reason for its popularity is because it's a fundamental language in the field of computer science. C is strongly associated with Unix because it was developed to write the Unix operating system. And then C is a commonly used on computer architectures that range from the largest supercomputers to the smallest microcontrollers and embedded system. Then importance of C programming. It is one of the most popular programming language. If you know C, you will have no problem learning other programming language such as Java, Python, C++, C Sharp, etc. And its syntax is very similar. C is very fast compared to other programming languages like Java, Python. C is very versatile programming language. It can be used in both application and technology wise. So what is this features in C programming language? It's a procedural language, one is main, and then it is fast and efficiently executed, easy to executable, and main reason is it's the portability. Portability means it's adapted to any OS, not only Unix operating system. It can accessed by the Windows XP, Windows 11 OS, like that. And it's a general purpose programming language, and its comparison speed is almost very speed. Then history of C programming. So first programming language developed is the ALGOL language, that means algorithmic language. So history of C is a algorithmic language. It's developed by the international group, and BCPL-B, it is the previous languages of C programming. So C programming was developed to overcome the problems of previous languages. Initially, C language was developed to be used in the Unix operating system only. It inherits many features of previous languages such as B and BCPL. So algorithmic language developed by the international group. BCPL developed by the developer name is Martin Richard in the year of 1967. B language developed by the Ken Thompson developer, who is developed in the year of 1970. Now currently used traditional C programming. It's developed by the author Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972. So American National Standard Institute of C programming was developed ANSI committee in the year of 1989. Then we will see about the basic structure of C programming. The basic structure of C programming is divided into 6 parts, that is documentation section, link section, and definition section, global declaration section, main function section, and subprograms. C program, it must follow the above mentioned outline in order to successfully compile and execute. So it enhance debugging is easier in structured C programming. So documentation section consists of description of the overall program, that means the name of the program or title of the program, and the creation date and time of the program. It is specified at the start of the program in the form of comments, that means top of the program. For example, double slash asterisk symbol, it contains a program title. Anything written as comment as well will be treated as the documentation of the program, and this will not interfere with the given code. So basically it gives an overview to the reader of the program. Then preprocessor section, all the header files of the program will be declared in the preprocessor section of the program. So header files help us to access other improved code into our code. A copy of these multiple files is inserted into our program before the process of compilation. So in this format of preprocess section consists a hash include within within hashtag std standard input output dot header files. So it have multiple header files that like console input output dot h, math dot h, stdu io dot h, like that. Next, definition section. Preprocessors are the programs that process our source code before the process of compilation. So there are multiple steps which are involved in the writing and execution of the program. So preprocessor directives start with the hash symbol. I already told. The hash defined preprocessor is used to create constant throughout the program. Whenever this name is encountered the compiler, it replaced by the actual piece of the definition of code. Next, global declaration section. The global declaration section contains global variables like that function declaration and static variables, and variables and function which are declared in the scope of the can be used anywhere in the program. For example, we declared whole numbers means we initially denote int, that means integer. So we declared as the int, and variable name is number or a to alphabetical names. Then main function. Every C program must have a main function. So main function is the program is written in the C section. Operation like declaration or execution are performed inside the curly braces of the main program. And the return type of the main function can be int as well as void too. Void function main tells the compiler that program will not return any value. The int means integer main function tells the compiler that program will return as integer value. Next, subprograms. User defined function are called in this section of the programs. The control of the program is shifted to called function whenever they are called from the main or outside of the main function. These are specified as per the requirements of the programmer. This is the example of simple example of C program. So header file include stdio.h, and a main function we declared a number as an integer number, so int main of. Then variable declaration int, that is integer number. 10 value is assigned by the a in variable. So we have to display the a values. So we have to give the printf statement. Printf statement used to print the result. So return 0 value. So output it will come a value is equal to 10. So these are my reference. Thank you.